7.1. Squarespace 7.1 tutorial. Let's start inside your Squarespace dashboard. Open the site you're working on and head to the page where you want visitors to access your PDF. Enter edit mode so you can make changes on the page. If you already have a button on the page, click it to edit. If not, add a button block where you want the link to live. Buttons are a great, clear way to prompt action, so give yours a short descriptive label like download brochure or view menu to set expectations. With the button selected, open its link settings. You'll see options for where the button points. Choose attach link to open the full linking panel. By default, you may see a URL field for linking to a web address. For a PDF, switch from URL to file. This tells Squarespace you want the button to link directly to a file hosted in your site's file library. Now click to add or choose a file. If your PDF is already in your library, select it. If not, upload it from your computer. Squarespace will import it and display it in the file picker. Wait for the upload to finish, then confirm the selection. You should see the PDF's file name appear in the link settings, indicating the button is now connected to that file. Apply the change to close the link panel and then save your page. Saving publishes the updated button so visitors can use it. When someone clicks the button, Squarespace serves the PDF file. Depending on the visitor's browser settings, the PDF may open in a new tab or download automatically. That behavior is controlled by the browser, not by Squarespace. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Keep your PDF's file name readable before uploading. That name often appears in the file URL and helps with organization. If the file is large, consider compressing it to improve load times. Use clear button text so people know they're getting a PDF. And if your template offers an open in new window option, enable it if you'd like the PDF to appear without navigating away from your page. If you replace the PDF later, revisit the button's link settings, upload the new version, and reattach it so the link stays current. That's it. You've added a clean, professional PDF link to your Squarespace 7.1 site using a button, attach the file correctly, and save your changes so it's ready for your visitors.